Tshwane e na le ho fihlela ka la 14 kgweding ena bakeng sa ho tjhella monwana ditekanyetso. Motsamaisi wa Masipala Mekga ke ena ya neng a tekile mohato wa ho tlosa motsamaisi wa dipuisano maemong a hae jwalo ka ha dumellwa ke molao wa bo Masipala.
I engaged in an exercise of satisfying myself as stated above, and I noticed that close to 10 signatures did not meet the signatories that my office have records.
Mekga dipolotiki e thusitse ka nka kgato ya molao.
This is the second occasion in which a majority of the City of Tshwane Council, which is formed by our multi-party coalition, has been unable to do the business of the residents.
The Speaker doesn't have a degree in this. The reality is that I was there. I watched every single councillor sign the petition. He has no right and there's no grounds to say that these signatures aren't legitimate.
ANC le EFF le tsona di hlahisitse ngongoreo.
What has happened is that they have constituted an unlawful and illegal meeting, and they expect that the meeting should proceed unchallenged.
The courts have indicated that the Speaker of Council is the one who's rightfully so to call meetings of council in terms of the legislation and the law.
Ba lekgotla ba itukisetsa ho kgetha ramotse e motjha mme ha bonahale e ka mohato ona o tla atleha.